So in this Canadian investing tutorial, I will be showing you how to open a cryptocurrency trading account in Canada using Wealthsimple. So once the app's opened up, go to the bottom left, press the home option. Once the home option is selected, scroll down to where it says open or move accounts, and then select open a new account. Once you're here, I want you to go to the top to where it says invest, and then select that, and then select trade. Once trade is selected here, there's a bunch of different options. If you scroll down a little bit here, there's a bunch of different options, but actually we're going to go back here because I'm on the wrong option. Scroll down right here to where it says crypto, trade Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, and 140 plus other coins. Select that. Then once you're here, you can read all about the Wealthsimple crypto account, and if this looks good to you, you can go to the bottom, open up an account, and then proceed this way with the next step. So that's how to open a crypto trading account in Canada using Wealthsimple. Thanks again for watching and hope this helps.